Hello everyone, Castle B123 here with another episode of the Battle Cats. And I get to claim a mission. Complete the 11th stage. Okay, yeah. Now that I have this mission, I can just click on the rare capsule. And I really want to use this, so. Boom. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Shook him that much. What? Rare. Salon cat. Okay. Guess looks could be deceiving. Use. What do I use? Oh, use. Yes. Whoa. It's expensive to upgrade it again. It must be good. Rare cats. 600. Looks pretty good to me. Let's go. I'm not gonna open the cat capsule. Where I left off last time, I had barely any energy, so I had to wait a little bit. Okay, yeah. I have 72 energy now, so. YOLO. I'm not gonna press any buttons. Just sit back, relax. Ranger cat. And then as you can see, that brings me up to 450 already. So I just need to destroy one of these guys and it will do me good work. Now 600. Barely even pressing anything. Not pressing anything right now, actually. My ninja cat got knocked back once. Oh, what do you do? So long. It's so big. What does the salon cat even do? You slap it? Just slap. Hi. Oh no. Slap. Oh, it didn't slap it. Slap it. You need to slap them. You need to slap. Slap. Slap the penguin. No. I think I know how I can win this. No. I might have to do this cat capsule too. Nah. Spinny grubby head. Go, go, go. Charge. No. New cat cannon charge. Kidding me? Storage. I guess. Got it free. So, yeah. Okay. Now. Oh, I completed another mission. 2 more missions. Boom. Boom. I can almost get the sumo wrestler. Hi, Dad. Doing a video.
Doing a video? You know what would be really cool on your video?
What?
Breakfast.
Wow.
All over your video.
That's so amazing.
Delicious.
Special cats. I need to say, okay. Tank Cat didn't listen when they said that size doesn't matter.
Food has arrived.
Okay, now with somewhat stronger attack. Area attack, somewhat stronger attack now. It's really the way of the warrior, especially your health and attack very well routed. Yeah, I think I want the samurai. Boom. Samurai cat. And upgrade, and then, leaning over to eat my food. Okay, so, now, what we have to do is destroy this place. Destroying Dubai. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Ow. Don't do that, little kitty. I forgot to equip him. No. Pause. Escape. No. No, 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 no. Hey, kitty. Stop. Get down.
And you gotta eat your food before our kitten does.
I know.
Are you kidding me, right, meow?
Seriously. I'm doing a video.
Seriously. Are you kidding me, right, meow?
Okay, stop.
Is that not funny?
No.
Were your subscribers not like Big Fat Daddy making big fat jokes?
Probably not.
I would like it. Your food's good.
Okay. I've got a different strategy now. I want the samurai cat. No. Hold him back, kitty, kitty. What? What? Hold them back. Don't let them destroy you. No. No. Yes. Push him back. Push him back. Push him back. Push him back. Okay. Reinforcements have what? Have arrived. Does he slap them with the flag? What? He's not really that fast at attacking. So he's not the best, but he one-shots literally everything. Except them. What? No. Kitty, how are you doing that? How are you on the window? Yeah. Power! The power to wreck face. They have the power to wreck face. Okay. Now. Wreck face! Wreck. Oh no. Wait, there were 3 there? Oh no, the penguin dudes. Slam the penguin dude. They're not fast enough attacking. They don't attack fast enough. It's not good. Saving up for the secret weapon. Oh wait, I can fire. Forgot I can do that. Get away. No! I lost again. I think I have an idea to beat this. My strategy involves him. Should probably summon him. One of him to destroy everything. It's so fast. Wait, is that seriously how fast he attacks? That's amazing. I think I should spawn in another one of him because they do work. No, kitty, get off. My food. My gosh. So fast. Is seriously that how fast he attacks? What was that? Oh, it was a dog. And that is not in game, it is next door. Stop it. How do I kill these guys? Is it even possible? Die. Maybe just go with my ninja strat next time. The only ninja strat. Come on. No. I know I'm gonna win this time. Oh no, I dropped my fork. Okay. With ninja cats, nothing is impossible. Nothing's impossible when you have a ninja cat around. That's not good. This is not good. Are you kidding me? This guy's... Yeah, that guy is weaker than the ninja cat. Oh, wait, why didn't I not fire that? No way. Okay. I'm gonna think of an attack. Thinking, how can I do this? That and that and that and that. That's perfect. I've gotten the perfect army. Are you kidding me? Okay, that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button or subscribe button. It is greatly appreciated. And see you next time. Have a good day and goodbye.